Good morning, Fargo North. Happy Wednesday. I'm here this morning to wrap up the information on Kabuki syndrome. Some history about Kabuki syndrome. It was first brought to everyone's attention in 1981 by a Japanese medical doctor. It was originally called Kabuki makeup syndrome. And the reason for this is because the facial features of people who have Kabuki match the mask of Kabuki, which is a Japanese theater. If you've ever seen Big Hero 6, the villain in the movie wears a mask and it's a Kabuki mask. Another fun fact is the scrunchy face. While it's not a trait used for diagnostic purposes, the scrunchy face is one of the traits that is found in Kabuki kids and adults. So as you can see in the pictures on the upper left of kids with Kabuki showing off their scrunchy face, and here's Lydia showing hers off. She was about 1.5 or 2 in this picture, and she still does the scrunchy face to this day. Last but not least, the disposition of Kabuki is they are always happy. I can honestly say that Lydia is never sad. She wakes up every day and she loves life. She doesn't know how to be mean. She doesn't know if someone is being mean to her. She's always wanting to give people a hug or a high five, but she has taught me so much that I could never learn from anyone else from a book, anything. So I hope you have learned a little bit about Lydia throughout this week. And if you see her in the hall, feel free to say hi, ask her for a high five. She'll be more than willing to give you one. So thanks to all who are spreading awareness today with wearing green, whether it's a necklace, a bracelet, or if you have green on your clothing. Thanks for helping spread awareness. And if you would like to still pick something up to wear, the bracelets, beads, and stickers will still be available during lunch today. Thanks, Fargo North. Have a great long weekend.